Please look carefully and the right side image and left side image. This image is 450 KB and this image is 92 KB. Can you see any visual difference in the image? Carefully look and let me know. Can or cannot?
Can see, sir.
Can. What is that?
Some lines are there in the second picture.
Yes, in second picture, you can see those are called visual artifacts. So let me zoom this. You cannot see anything, but let me zoom this again. Let me zoom 2 times and you can see lines. මේක තමයි මම කිව්වා එක ළඟ තියෙන colors එකම පාටට එයා convert කරලා නේ. ඒ හින්දා තමයි මේ වැඩේ වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එක ළඟ තියෙන පාටවල් එකම පාටට එයා convert කරලා. That's why this has happened. This is called visual artifacts. Actually, GIF is lossyless, but GIF use both lossyless and lossy algorithms. GIF කියන එක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් lossyless. ඒක vectors වලට වැඩ කරනකොට එහෙම නැත්නම් මේ අර illustration ඇඳපු ඒවට cartoon වලට එහෙම ගොඩක් කරලා lossyless වැඩ කරන්නේ. හැබැයි මේ වගේ මේ actor pictures වලට වැඩ කරනකොට loss එකක් තියෙනවා පොඩි. මෙතන මේ loss එක පේනවා GIF එකේ. Okay, I'm going to use another one, which is a moderate size one. Let's use this one, JPG one. It is moderate, right? So you have here make a BMP එකනේ 450. I'm going to use JPG. And this is the JPG version. JPG is only 179 KB. Okay, let's zoom this 2 times. What do you think? What do you think? Which is better? So both look same, right? Both look same, so no big difference. But the advantage is JPEG. Both look same, but the advantage is this takes like 450 KB and this takes only 179 KB. So it saves 3 times of space to save same image. Looks almost identical, but not 100%, but almost identical. Using a lossy algorithm, it generated some identical picture with less size. So it will like 3 times faster than this image. When to download, this will be download 1 second, then this will take 3 seconds. Right? To display a page, this will take maybe 1 second, and this will again take 3 seconds due to this picture. Therefore, this compression is required, either lossy or lossyless. Lossy is better, but lossyless is quicker and faster. Okay, let's write down a small note on this. And today's topic is about compression. So please write this, right? Image compression. So please write the picture size example also. And after that, please write this. When we want to transfer graphics through network and internet, when we need to display in stream with some applications, when you want to display in stream with some applications, and store it, we need to worry, we need to think about the image size. The above examples shows bitmap image size, bitmap image size for the for the given traffic. If it is exceeding sorry, stream resolution, if it is exceeding stream resolution, we can reduce the number of pixels to proportionate with the stream, or reduce image width and height too. But compression will not change width and height of the image and number of pixels. It will take the abstract of that and summarize. It will take the abstract of that and summarize to reduce the size. It can also do a pattern identification and mathematically store details without removing information. Okay, in addition to that, write about JPG. JPG uses lossy compression, which will remove less sensitive colors to our eye and local average the color variance and local average the color variance to reduce the number of varieties. So what is that? So JPG use lossy compression. Lossy compression කියන data loss වෙනවා. අපේ ඇහැට සංවේදී නැති colors තියෙන්නේ. දැන් උඩ සුදු වේවා, ඊට පොඩ්ඩක් අඩුවෙන් සුදු වේවා, ඊට පොඩ්ඩක් අඩුවෙන් සුදු වේවා, අහසේ තියෙනවා කියලා හිතන image එක. අපේ ළඟ තියෙනවා අහසේ image එක. නිකන් අපි හිතමු හරි. So let's say sky. Go to this and sky image එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ තියෙන sky image එකේ දැන් මේ වලාකුළු වල සුදු පාට ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. සුදු පාටවල ගොඩක් තියෙනවා වලාකුළු. මේ සමහර සුදු පාට ඇත්තටම වැඩන්නේ. මොකද අපේ ඇහි එක තිබ්බත් එකයි නැතත් එකයි අපිට පේන්නේ ඒ වටේ සුදු පාට ගොඩාක් පේනකොට අපිට තදම සුදු එක තමයි පේන්නේ. ඌවට පේන්නේ නැහැ එහෙම. හරි මේ ඉමේජ් එක මම පෙන්නන්න ෆොටෝග්‍රැෆි වල. file new. හරි මේ තියෙන අර දෙවෙනි ඉමේජ් එක. දෙවෙනි ඉමේජ් එක ගත්තම මම මේක පොඩ්ඩක් zoom කරලා පෙන්නන්න. හරි මේ තියෙන්නේ white නේ. මේ මේකේ white සුදු පාටත් variant ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. there are so different so මේ චූටි දේවල්. So very small way. Your eye cannot, your eye or my eye cannot recognize that. Even I cannot see here. You can see these are not pure white, right? මේ white එකේ ටූටක් white ගතිය වලින් ඊට වැඩි පොඩ්ඩක් කඩින්න වලාකුළේ පොඩ්ඩක් තනක් වගේ මේ වගේ වෙනියා කොළ පාට ගතියද here some green color, here some blue color is means මෙහෙම තියෙන්නේ. Here some purple color is means. So these things can be removed, right? Preserving the thing, preserving this, you can remove those colors. That is possible. Okay, let's reduce the, let's save this size. I'm going to save this image file, export as, I'm going to JPG this, save as JPG. And you can see when I save this 128 kilobytes. This is for, okay, this is for the 129 kilobytes. Okay, let's reduce the size now. I'm going to save the same, but by reducing the quality. Reducing this to it, reducing this to 30%. Now size is 9.5. Imagine the number of bits it has changed. But this will give you visual artifacts, right? අරකේ වගේ visual artifacts කියලා කියන්නේ අහ බලනකොට නිකන් ඉරි වගේ පේන්න ගණී මේක. ඒක අපි save කරලා බලමු මේ image එක. මම 9.5 අරක 129. Right? 10 times වගේ අඩු කරලා තියෙන size එක. මේ තියෙන 129 image එක. අහසක් වගේ පේනවා යන්න. ඒතර මේ තියෙන්නේ 10 kb කියලා. ඒකත් අහසක් වගේ පේනවා එකම දේ ඉතින් මේක ඉරි කැලි පේනවා. දැක්කද? But clouds and all no big difference, right? මේ හරිය වුණ තද පාටවල් තියෙන තැන් වල නම් ඔන්න ඉරි කැලි පේනවා. But the light colors you can see it's no big. So there is a quality drop. Yes, we know because we have drastically reduced the quality. අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන් කැතම විදිහට අඩු කරනවා කියන්නේ. එහෙම තමයි අඩු කරේ. Therefore you can see that. Right? But if you reduce this in average maybe 50%, 70%, then Facebook වලට upload කරනකොට කියනවා images upload කරන්න කියලා මම දැක්ක තියෙන articles වල කොච්චර image එක ලොකු වුණත් 2048ට අඩු කරලා 170 JPG quality එකට upload කරන්න කියලා. හේතුව Facebook වලින්ම ඒක කරනවා. Facebook වලින් ඒක ඔටෝ වුණාම කැතයි. ඊට වැඩි අපි කරාම ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් බේර ගන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද Facebook ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ඇල්ගොරිතම් එකෙන් බලන්නේ image එකේ size එක මෙගාබයිට් එකකට වැඩි අඩුවෙන් තියාගන්න. ගොඩක් කරනවා. ඒ හින්දා ඔයාලා මේ සාමාන්‍ය මෙගාබයිට් 7-8ක ෆොටෝ එකක් Facebook අප්ලෝඩ් කරාට පස්සේ ආයෙ ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරලා බලන්නකෝ. Facebook upload කරලා ෆොටෝ එකක් ගන්න ඔයගොල්ලන් කැමරාස් quality නේ ෆෝන් වල එහෙම තියෙනවනේ දැන් හොඳ කැමරා ෆොටෝ එකක් අරගෙන ඒකට size එක බලන්න පුළුවන් then upload to Facebook after that download upload to Facebook or maybe you can WhatsApp the photo. WhatsApp will also reduce. යාළුවෙකුට WhatsApp කරන්න ෆොටෝ එක අරගෙන ෆොටෝ එකක් අරගෙන යාළුවෙකුට WhatsApp කරලා then download the picture from WhatsApp and you can see it's only kilobytes. The megabyte level is reduced to kilobytes. Right? That will happen. So that is because of this lossy compression. මොකද එහෙම කරොත් තමයි WhatsApp වලින් යවන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් ඔයාලා මෙගාබයිට් ගණන් WhatsApp වලින් යවන්න කිව්වොත් WhatsApp වලටත් එපා වෙයි. එච්චර data save කරගෙන. මොකද එච්චර capacity එකක් WhatsApp වගේ දැන් WhatsApp කියන්නේ fast communication media එකක්. So they don't want them to become slow down by giving like high quality thing. But there's a way of sending that. You can send this as a document, right? You can send that as a document. So then it will not reduce the quality because then it will not treat as image. So it will send it as a document. That is one way of send in the document without reducing the quality. Gmail again, Gmail again, so you'll get the original size because it will give you the share. So if size is more than the expected level, for example, say if it is exceeding 25 megabytes, it's allowing you to share using Google Drive instead of reducing the size. So Gmail won't do that, but if you save using a graphics software, so if you edit a certain image using a graphics software 2-3 times, so then it will drop the quality. එකම software එකකින් උනත් දෙතුන් පාරක් එකම image එක edit කරාම it will drop the quality of the image. That is there. Okay, so now we know. So what will happen to the quality in these lossy images and what will happen to the quality in lossy-less images? There's a one important thing. So lossy-less images are basically, it's not like pictures. Pictures are mostly lossy. Because the real world examples, you can't actually model this to a mathematics easily. But illustrations, drawings, you can make that lossy-less compression for that. So one example is, you can use SVG. Okay, let's say I'm going to search Toon SVG, scalable vector graphics. Scalable vector graphics. Right, you have very simple color, few colors. Very simple, few colors. Let's take this character. I'm not sure whether it's SVG, but let's say whether we can download the SVG. Okay, it seems like it's SVG, right? Okay, let's free download this. It's PNG, right? It's PNG. I just want the SVG. I just want SVG file. SVG means scalable vector graphic. Vector කියන්නේ vectors හදන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ගණන් වලින්. maths වලින් edit කළා තමයි mathematical algorithm එකෙන් තමයි vector එකක් හදන්නේ. බලමු අපි මේ image එකක් අරගෙන. අපිට vector විදිහටම download කරගන්න පුළුවන් නම් හොඳයි. මොකද ඒක ආයේ අපේ අර PNG මොනකට හරි convert වුණාම වැඩක් නැහැ. Okay, here it's giving the zip file. Let's open the zip file and see whether we got the SVG. SVG එක මාවද කියලා බලමු. හරි. zip එකක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි මේ තියෙන JPG එක තියෙන්නේ 80යි. ඔන්න JPG. JPG I'm going to increase. Now you can see the pixels, right? When I zoom this, මම මේක zoom කරගෙන ගියාම ඔන්න zoom දැන් පේන්නේ නැහැ. zoom කරා තව zoom කරා පාරේ ඉරිහෙම පේනවා මේ. Can you see the pixels? Can you see the pixels? Yes. Okay, the pixels are there. So that is JPG. JPG is basically, you know, lossy. JPG is lossy. एक format damage है ना. एक आप इधर ना वाले. ये हैटी थी. SVG क्या ना type पे कर. SVG. Okay, basically it's opening in here. It's opening in mathematical. This is XML using mathematical XML format, byte format. So everything is like this. It's XML file. Actually, I need SVG viewer to view this. I need SVG viewer to view this. So let's say, so I don't know what application to use here. Let's open with open in the web browser. Let's see. Yeah, it's opening. Now let me zoom this. So what do you think about the quality? So this is the maximum level that I came to, the 500% zoom, because my browser and the environment support 500% zoom. So can you see the pixels? Hello?
No.
I'm asking from you, can you see the pixels? Or is it crystal clear? You can see the lines are crystal clear. Clear it to them. Clear. Zoom it, zoom it, zoom it. Doesn't change here. So that is the nature. That is the quality. You can zoom this, zoom this, zoom this. It has all text details, right? It has the algorithm, and you can see everything. But even though you zoom, you cannot see any pixel there. The gradients, everything is nicely organized. So that is lossless. Basically, these lossless algorithms can be applied to vectors. Maybe in future there will be this kind of things which support unlimited zoom, right? Unlimited or big zoom level. So අපි දැනට කරන්නේ pixel ගාන වැඩි කරලා megapixel value එක වැඩි කරලා. That is the technology used currently, right? Currently we are using number of megapixels to enhance the quality. එතකොටත් zoom කරාම pixel පේන්නේ නැහැ නේ megapixel ගාන වැඩි වෙන. So that is the thing that we are doing now. But if we can create a vector of that, brilliant. Vector of human character or vector of the real scenario, that is absolutely great, but it's very, very, very heavy mathematics and so difficult calculations to actually do that. Okay, so let's write down it and stop for today. So let's finish the note quickly, right? We have to write down about the vectors and clusters. GIF is lossless, and also it has lossy features, especially when handling real pictures. Lossless algorithms can easily be applied to vector images. Example, SVG files, scalable vector graphics. Scalable vector graphics. JPG means joint photography expert group. GIF means graphic interchange format. Scalable, right? Sorry, scalable means scalable. Scalable vector graphics. Vectors mathematically generated graphics. Within bracket, it is difficult to apply for real images as the variance will be high. Rasters, pixel raster graphics, pixel based graphics. Put asterisk and write, in order to enhance the quality of raster graphics, it is possible to capture with a high resolution camera. As it increases the number of pixels. And more details will be there. That is the art for the rasters. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. Little bit earlier. So do you have any question? Screenshot එකක් ගැහුවම quality එක අඩු වෙනවද? Yes, අඩු වෙනවා. මොකද pixel ගාන අඩු වෙන්නේ පෙන්නන්නේ. අපි හිතමු image එකේ image එක 48 megapixel image එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ පැත්තට pixel 8000ක් තියෙනවා. අනිත් පැත්තට 6000ක් තියෙන image එකක් නම් මේ වගේ. හරහට pixel 8000ක් තියෙනවා. මේ පැත්තට 6000ක් තියෙනවා. 8 වරක් 6 48යි. 8 into 6 is 48. So 8,000 and 6,000 is 48 million pixels, which is 48 megapixels. And ඔයා එක full screen දානවා. මේ අපේ screen එක සාමාන්‍ය screen එකේ full screen දානවා. In my screen, if you put full screen, so the maximum image resolution that it will obtain will be the screen resolution of my screen. So that is 1440 into 900. If I put it full screen, මම එක full screen දැම්මා. හරි. ඔයා ඒක 100ට ලොකු කරලා කෑලි කෑලි ගත්තොත් quality එක අඩු වෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි මේ කරන වැඩේ මම කියන්නේ. මේ දැන් අර image එකේ 8000යි 6000යි තිබ්බ එක මම 1000යි 18ට වගේ අඩු කරලා. ඒතර 8ක් 48යි 1000 වැඩි කිරීම 1000 කියන්නේ 1 million. ඒතර 48 ගුණයක් මම quality එක drop කරනවා. අනිවාර්යෙන් අඩු වෙනවා. මේක full screen දාලා screenshot එකක් ගත්තොත් 48 ගුණයක් photo එකේ size එක අඩු වෙනවා. quality එක අඩු වෙනවා. හැබැයි මෙහෙම කරොත් image එක 100ට ලොකු කරලා කෑලි කෑලි වල print screen අරගෙන එක එකතු කරනවා. Then you can replace it. But that is a headache. Right? Okay, finish writing.
Last part, sir.
Okay then. Let's see you all next day. I'm stopping 10 minutes before the class, but because I have to start the new topic, that's all. Okay, let's see you all next day. Please install GIMP in your computer, right? GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, GIMP. So please install that in your computer next day. So we'll discuss about GIMP. Okay, then good night. Bye.